Thanks for joining us today. The topic is the insufficiency of current methods for monetizing and mining in-force databases. So we know that there's about 15 million life insurance policyholders in Canada right now. Brokers have on average 300 or 400 clients, but many have upwards in the thousands. And so servicing these clients becomes very, very difficult. From a carrier perspective, there's very little that has been done and very little that's trying to be done. Advisors only receive essentially term renewal alerts, and even those are quite questionable and quite spotty. And sometimes they even come after the renewal. And in all other cases, identifying opportunities requires quoting, and it requires preparation, and it requires reaching out to the client. What we found over our experience is that the client book is made up of 20 to 25% of policies that actually represent opportunities to better service the policyholder. So there is an opportunity here, we think, to identify those opportunities, prepare completed sales packages, and it does result in about 90% closing rates during the meeting. So what's in the book? There's a lot. We all know about changing life stages, but more specifically, term renewals, permanent conversions, policy loans that are causing the policy to be unsustainable, excess cash value, unsustainable YRTs, legacy products. We know the contractual provisions on products dating back to the 50s, and so there's just so much that needs to be addressed. And so if we look at how this opportunity would be presented to you, you can see that there's the policyholder name, the opportunity type. You would log in and see these alerts. The production opportunity is provided, and then when you click Analyze over on the right side, a report is generated for you. Now, if we use a term example, this would show the rewrite, the partial conversion, the full conversion, and everything is laid out conceptually and concretely and quoted for the client. And so some folks will just provide the report to their client, and again, it has about a 90% closing rate. Some will say that it requires a bit more selling. But overall, we see very, very good results. 30% of terms are converted, 80% of loans become new permanent products, and overall, Life Assist results in $4,000 a month in marginal FYC, so increased FYC during use of the program. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope that you guys will reach out to us to learn more.